तो मैंने आज इंटरव्यू के पहले अपने नाखून काटे। आई स्वेयर मैं कल शाम को नहीं काट पाया।
वैसे ही भूतनियां सर पे बैठी रहती है तुम्हारे।
Exactly,
है ना?
ट्यूसडे वेंसडे थर्सडे सैटरडे को बाल नहीं काटेंगे, नाखून नहीं काटेंगे, फिर दिन बचे क्या? थोड़ी बात।
उषा, संदीप और पल्लवी की ऐसी कहानी जो कि एक आम कहानी नहीं है। वेल यस, ये 3 ऐसे किरदार हैं जिनके साथ आप लोग जुड़ने तो वाले हैं, लेकिन उनको देखने नहीं वाले हैं, क्योंकि आप उनको सुनने वाले हैं ऑडिबल के जरिए। वेल यस, यू हर्ड दैट थिंग राइट। आज मेरे साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं द वेल नोन एक्ट्रेस सुप्रिया पाठक, जो कि निभा रही हैं उषा का किरदार, और उन्हीं के साथ साथ उनकी बेटी पल्लवी यानी कि हमारी अपनी शायोनी, एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट संदीप यानी कि ऋत्विक धनजानी, जो कि लेकर आ रहे हैं बुरी नजर, अ सीरीज दैट यू विल हैव टू हियर एंड नॉट सी। तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ करते हैं स्वागत इन 3 कलाकारों का, और जानते हैं कैसा था उनका एक्सपीरियंस इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। What all can the fans really expect out of the project, and a lot more fun and मस्ती from those shooting studios जहां ये एक दूसरे से मिलकर भी नहीं मिल पाए हैं।
Well, I would say, guys, firstly, welcome to Telechakkar once again, and congratulations, बुरी नजर, शायोनी, ऋत्विक, we are just waiting for Supriya ma'am. But then आप लोगों से अगर मैं पूछूं, आप लोगों के किरदार बहुत ही promising, सुनाई देते हैं, because सुनने ही वाले हैं हम लोग ऑडिबल पे। कैसा था आप लोगों का सफर, बुरी नजर?
बहुत ही अमेजिंग, बहुत ही कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस है ये। मेरे लिए पहली बार है। I'm very new to this entire medium of audio shows and audio films. तो मेरा पहला ऑडियो शो है एंड ऑडियो सीरीज है, एंड यार वो एक्सपीरियंस अपने आप में बहुत अलग है। It's a mad experience to be in a studio and just be able to express and emote and just beautifully dance with your voice. बहुत मजा आया, बहुत। I can't tell you, it was such a beautiful feeling. So yeah, and Shayan, you would speak more. बचपन से ऑडियो करती आई है वो, प्लीज उनसे पूछो।
You get to work with these fabulous artists like Supriya Pathak, Ritwik, and Manish, who was our director, and he was extremely sure and clear about what he wanted. And yeah, it was a great team. हमें बहुत मजा आया, हम बहुत हंसते खेलते हुए हमने कर लिया 3 दिन record, and it was actually, I think we had more number of days, like I at least had more number of days that I'd given to record, but we did it really fast, and it all went in a flow, and it was wonderful, honestly. And audio and I have had a long relationship, like literally all my life, and it's really close to home. It's where my comfort is. Not saying that acting for the camera isn't, but audio is something I've really done all my life, and I really enjoy it. I enjoy how you modulate, because it's slightly different when you're working with the mic, instead of the camera, which is capturing you with the mic. Like, you literally have to make love to your microphone, and of course you have co-actors, but their co-actors are not in front of you, are in a different room or in a different studio sometimes, because Supriya ma'am and I have never met actually. We were in 2 different places but recording together, like 2 different geographically different studios but recording at the same time. And thanks to technology, it's possible today, and Audible has cracked it, But your microphone is really it's a camera as well as it's your co-actor, it's beautiful.
But Ritwik, I would love to know, because obviously आपका first time था, शायोनी के बाद उससे लगता है कि उन्होंने काफी practice करके अपने आप को train किया, perfect करने की कोशिश करी है. But then did you try and learn new techniques? Did you take any classes or something for it?
I mean, of course, I have always taken voice training with my acting coaches, with Saurabh Sachdeva, with Abhijit Das, who've been my acting coaches for years now. So of course I've had voice training, I've had voice modulation classes, but I've never ever applied those techniques in real, क्योंकि वो कभी मौका ही नहीं लगा. This was the first time ever. और जब ये हो रहा था, that's when I realized वो इतना सब जो सीखा था, this is the time to apply. Honestly, because of the schedule, I didn't really get the time to prep for it, but I just jumped in. Like, I just jumped into it. Like, yaar, I want to jump in and see what I can do and what I can't. So it was absolutely no prep, and I think I'm really thankful, because I had, of course, Shayoni, who knows this art so well.
No,
she was my teacher. She was my teacher.
No, oh my God, never. I would never do it with any. I mean, who am I? I mean, he's of course more proficient than I would ever be, probably. So, but again, like what you asked, Ritwik. I mean, in acting you're constantly using your voice. So
Always using your voice. So yeah.
It's not something you're doing like there's no alag preparation that you need.
Correct,
You just need to be
absolutely.
comfortable with and understand the mic, because you know that's all. But otherwise in acting, I mean you're acting after all. सिर्फ कैमरा नहीं है, एक माइक्रोफोन है आपके पास, पर काम उतना ही कर रहे हैं आप, काम अलग नहीं है.
No worries, ma'am. We'll begin with you only. Firstly, welcome to Tele Chakkar. We were just discussing about how Buri Nazar happened, and how was their experience with Buri Nazar, and they were telling how this audio की दुनिया से उनका रूबरू हुआ है, and how the journey has been so far for them. How was it for you also? I would love to know.
Well, it's been a great journey. I mean, we've had a lot of nice fun doing it while we were recording it. It was a very new experience for me. I've not done an audio really before, ever. So, except for doing my own dubbing, I've not done anything else. So, it was a great experience for me to go through something which is so unusual, and it was a challenge because I had to only use my voice and not show my face, which is a little difficult for me because I do a lot of expressing through my face, I think. So that was more of a challenge, but it was great. It was great, very exciting. But as I said, I've always been associated with the radio in the sense of listening to it, because of when I was a young girl, there was no other form of entertainment except a radio. So radio was a great part of our childhood and our young ages. So shows, telling stories has always been a part of our life. Yes.
I think right now Shayoni was saying that when she and you were shooting, you guys were in completely different, maybe the rooms and completely different locations, and then you guys were shooting at the same time, like audio, like you were recording your audios at the same time.
I think it was quite unusual to do it like that also, to tell you honestly. I mean, but because one is used to dubbing films, so you are used to doing it individually. I always do. I don't dub with anybody, so I dub myself. So, I mean, you are used to doing that and then things being joined in later by the sound recordist. So it was not that different. But yes, because you're doing a play and we've never met. I've never met Sayani actually. I've met Ritwik and I've had a great fun working with him. And I really like him very much. So that is the thing.
जब हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे तो मुझे लगा कि मैम और ऋत्विक पहले से जानते एक दूसरे को, जैसे बात कर रहे थे, and there was a familiarity, and I mean I knew they knew each other. Then I saw Kaatil Ka trailer and I was like, oh my god, this is how. Really, we were just talking about it. I'll watch it definitely.
But the thing is that because I've never met you, so it was very difficult, with you, Sayani, to be able to kind of out of the blue have a relationship with somebody who is, only through the voice. So it was quite a new experience. But it was fun. It was really fun.
Yeah. And that's your mother-daughter, But I think I had I had a wonderful time. In fact, it felt like, "Arey, इनको तो मैं जानती हूँ, यही मेरी माँ है."
No, but because also in the show itself there is this that we are very far away from each other.
Yeah.
So that was the kind of thing that even if I didn't know you, when you're not living together, you are changing, I'm changing. So we can come to a point where we don't really know each other in that sense, even if you're mother and daughter. So that kind of helped.
Correct.
It worked, I felt.
Yeah.
Billy ne rasta kaata, don't walk. Oh, acha, ye ho gaya, don't. Like all of us are superstitious somewhere down the lane. So has it ever happened in real life that you guys have actually followed and believed in superstitions, or you've had such kind of experience or something?
I personally now, at this time in my life, I realize I find it very stupid. But yes, when I was a young girl, I remember my mother used to say कि Wednesday को बाल नहीं धोने चाहिए, भाई के ऊपर भारी पड़ता है. So I don't have a real brother, but I have a cousin brother whom I was very fond of. So I at that time I didn't wash my hair on Wednesdays, So I didn't. So it was, and till date there is one thing that, but these were things that my mom told me. I've never experienced कि मैंने बाल धोए होते तो उसको भारी हुआ कि नहीं, वो सब नहीं मालूम मुझे. लेकिन मेरी माँ कहती थी नाखून शाम को, मतलब सनसेट के बाद नहीं काटनी चाहिए. तो वो मैंने आज तक मैं नहीं काट पाती. Like I can't give a scissor to somebody, a knife or a scissor to somebody
In the
in
hand.
the hand.
In the hand.
नीचे रख कर देना पड़ता है.
do that.
I think these are things which were kind of childhood impressions, which I still am not being able to get over. Though I know they are very, very stupid, maybe. I don't have a logic to it, but I do manage following it all the time.
Absolutely the same thing. मुझे मेरे नाखून काटने थे, कल शाम को मैं नहीं काट पाया क्योंकि मम्मी ने बचपन से बोला। तो मैंने आज इंटरव्यू के पहले अपने नाखून काटे। I swear मैं कल शाम को नहीं काट पाया क्योंकि मम्मी ने बचपन से बोला है कि रात को नाखून काटते तो मेरी मम्मी बोलती थी भूत आते हैं। तो भूत आ जाता है, तो छोटा सा था तो वैसे ही डर लगता था, वैसे ही फटती थी, तो मैंने कभी नहीं काटे। एंड एब्सोल्युटली अग्रीइंग विद कि किसी और को वो कैची नहीं देना, ये सारी चीजें। हाँ, बट आई डोंट बिलीव इन कि मैंने अगर किसी दिन जेन्युइनली शाम को नाखून काट दी तो ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कोई भूतनी सर पे बैठी, ऐसा नहीं होता।
यार मेरी माँ ना मतलब सिर्फ सुपरस्टिशन में ही बिलीव करती है। वो सिर्फ उनका इतना बातिक है, बातिक बोलते हैं हम बांग्ला में, और वो कुछ सुपरस्टिशन है, कुछ ओसीडी है, कुछ फिक्सेशंस है, जो भी कह लो उनको, तो बहुत सारे हैं। तो मैं बचपन से रेबल थी कि मैं, आप बोल रहे हो तो मैं नहीं मानूंगी। तो ये क्या लॉजिक है? रात वही सेम चीजें कि ट्यूसडे वेंसडे थर्सडे सैटरडे को बाल नहीं काटेंगे, नाखून नहीं काटेंगे, फिर दिन बचे क्या? थोड़ी बात। पहले जमाने में ये सब चलता था क्योंकि अगेन मे बी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं था तो हाथ काट सकते थे नाखून काटते हुए, so there was logical reasoning to everything. Most of the superstitions जब शुरू हुआ था, पर धीरे धीरे with our modern lives obviously some things will change, पर तब भी मैं कुछ चीजें नहीं कर पाती हूँ, जैसे कैंची मैं हाथ में नहीं देती हूँ, और लगता है यार झगड़ा जैसी चीज तो ना ही हो तो अच्छा है लाइफ में ही, कभी किसी के साथ भी। तो वो मतलब these are avoidable things. Again टच वुड करती हूँ मैं हर चीज में, मुझे लगता है अपना नजर लग जाएगा।
मेरी माँ एक बात कहा करती थी कि अगर आप बहुत हंसोगे, मेरी माँ है ना, बहुत हंसो तो इमीडिएटली कहती मत हंसो क्योंकि फिर रोओगे। So it used to be like a big problem, when I met with Pankaj, he would always say, I would laugh and then immediately stop myself. And he would say, what's happening to you? Why can't you just normal? I said, नहीं, फिर मुझे रोना आ जाएगा, किसी भी कुछ बुरा होगा जो मैं रोऊंगी। तो it took me a long time to get over all this in a kind of practical way.
Supriya ma'am, the same thing, and I have seen this in my life. Every time I've laughed a lot, like होता ना एकदम abundance में रोना, हंसना, उसके बाद कुछ ना कुछ होगा और मुझे रोना पड़ेगा।
Would you love to tell the fans कि आपके किरदारों के साथ साथ ऐसा क्या है जो fans will fall instantly in love with them when they'll listen to it?
Every woman, every mother will relate to this mother that I'm playing, because the same worries. If your daughter is not married, it's the same worry that every bloody mother has. मतलब वो चाहे क्वीन ऑफ इंग्लैंड हो जाए, पर अरे यार शादी नहीं की उसने, ये एक प्रॉब्लम है जो मुझे लगता है हर एक माँ इस चीज से रिलेट करेगी। और ये जो प्रॉब्लम इन दोनों के बीच का है, द मदर डॉटर की जो रिलेशनशिप है, which is a very relatable relationship.
As ma'am said, it's extremely real. जो बैंटर है ना मदर डॉटर में, वो इतना ज्यादा रियल है। जैसे मेरी माँ शादी के बारे में कभी बोलती नहीं है क्योंकि वो बंगाली है और वो अलग थोड़ी सोच की है, पर
बड़ी लकी हो तुम बेटा।
हाँ टच मेरे घर में कभी भी कोई भी शादी के बारे में नहीं बोलता है, क्योंकि सब हमेशा बचपन से बोला है कि अपने पैरों में खड़े रहना, सर ऊंचा करके जीना, बाकी लड़के आए गए हो ना हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इंसान अच्छा होना चाहिए। तो
I want to meet your mom.
Yes, she would love to. She loves your work, absolutely. But so वो कभी नहीं था, but वो जो बैंटर का नेचर है जो सुप्रिया मैम और मेरे बीच का था, वो बहुत रिलेटेबल है। क्योंकि आप मतलब आर्ग्यूमेंट किसी भी चीज में हो रही हो, पर आर्ग्यूमेंट जरूर होती है माँ बेटी में, और बहुत ज्यादा रियल तरह से लिखी जो गई थी वो बहुत रियल था, जो डायलॉग्स थे, एंड इट वाज रियली वंडरफुल, तो वो बहुत रिलेटेबल है। एंड आई फील द एंटायर शो हैज ऑल द इमोशंस पॉसिबल। मुझे लगता है नवरसा में हर रस इसमें है, क्योंकि वो बहुत एकदम माइन्यूट वल्नरेबल मोमेंट्स भी है, बहुत रोमांस भी है, बहुत सॉफ्ट मोमेंट्स भी है और एकदम मतलब बहुत हाई स्ट्रॉन्ग मोमेंट्स भी है. सो I think it's a really well written, well packaged show, and I think people will really enjoy it. It's very very entertaining.
I agree with the two ladies here, and they've absolutely said everything that there is. कि इतना relatable है कि हम हर हिंदुस्तानी परिवार में से, चाहे आप आज की सोच के हो या चाहे आप पुराने ख्यालातों के हो, अगर आप इन चीजों में बिलीव नहीं भी करते तो भी कहीं ना कहीं आपने इन सारी चीजों को अपने इर्द गिर्द एक्सपीरियंस जरूर किया है. तो जो भी इस कहानी में हो रहा है बिटवीन द मदर एंड द डॉटर, एंड वो सारी इक्वेशन, एंड उसके बाद संजय के कैरेक्टर के साथ जो होता है, आई एम नॉट श्योर कि वो कितना एक्सपीरियंस हुआ होगा लोगों को या नहीं, बट कहीं ना कहीं हर चीज जो है इस शो में हर परिवार से, हर इंसान से कहीं ना कहीं रिलेटेड थी कि हाँ मैंने किसी को तो सुना है ऐसा, ये ऐसा हो सकता है. सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाई इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रियल, एंड इट्स गॉट fabulous performers like Sayoni and Supriya ji. So please you will
अपना
love
नाम भी बोल दो, अपना नाम बोल दो.
हाँ, and Ritvik.
It's a great series to hear. Experience it and tell us what you think about it. I've had a great time. I've had a lovely time.
Well, I had a great time with the three of you. I wish you all the luck for Buri Nazar. I hope कि इसके बाद दोबारा हम लोग साथ मिले for yet another new project or maybe a new book or anything for that matter, but a new work, I would say. It was a pleasure having the three of you.
Thank you, Vishaka.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Also.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching आज का हमारा chat session, and that was truly one of the most candid sessions I've had with the well-known actress Supriya Pathak, Shayoni, and also Ritik Dhanjani. And I would say it was utterly the best ones that I've had with the three of them. I really hope that आप लोग enjoy करेंगे बुरी नजर, देखना नहीं बल्कि सुनना. And this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now from Telechakkar. You do stay tuned to our channel for all the more updates about the Tele world. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.